Hi, this video is about the Nova heavy-duty Commode with drop arm and a 500-pound weight capacity. So when you receive your Commode, it comes fully assembled just like this. All you're going to have to do is attach the back, and it's so easy. So here is the backrest, and you'll notice the two push buttons. They'll go inside the tubes, give it a push, and then you're going to give the buttons a push, and it just snaps into place. And the Commode comes with a bucket that has a lid and also a convenient handle. And here's also where you will find your care, use, and warranty information. So to be able to slide and insert the Commode bucket and remove it smoothly is very important. So the bucket inserts from the front of the Commode. You're going to want to make sure that the handle is down and facing towards you. And then while you insert the bucket, you're going to slide the bucket away from you to glide it through smoothly inside the Commode. And then to remove it, as you pull out the bucket, then you're going to slide and turn the bucket towards you to smoothly and gently remove the bucket. And the final step is to pull up the arms. And all you have to do is just pull up, and you will hear it lock into place. And you'll also notice that the legs are adjustable, so then you can adjust the seat to your desired height. All right, so the feature that I love about this is the drop arm. And the drop arm is so easy. Pull in on these tabs, and the arms come all the way down. And this is great because then it allows someone to be able to transfer from, say, a transport chair or even a bed into the Commode, and that just makes it so convenient. So here we have someone in a transport chair that has also a drop arm. So the arm comes down, and then now the user can easily transfer independently. And the Commode, having this extra wide, durable surface, gives the user space to be able to have some leverage to move over into the Commode and also have a lot of comfort. All right, so once in the Commode, then you just pull up the arm and it locks into place and you're all set. All right, that is our heavy-duty drop arm Commode, and as with all of Nova products, it comes with our care, use, and warranty information, and most importantly, how to contact us anytime.